and eliminate the things that are not getting you success. Eliminate the things that are not moving your projects forward. And one of those things is insensitivity, right? Write down your top 10 activities that will create revenue tomorrow. What are the 10 things that you need to do tomorrow so that you move your projects, your work forward? Circle the top 3. 3 is a very interesting number. They've scientifically proven that there's something about the number 3. It's not too big, it's not too small. If you can consistently, think about this, if you can consistently complete 3 things every day that you know are going to move your business forward, move your tasks forward, move your life forward, and you did them day in and day out, that's going to make for huge success. Think about that for a minute. Every day. And then create a second list for activities that are not your top 3. Right? What are things that you know you've done and you continue to do that are not bringing you success? These are not activities that should be on your top 3. And then start eliminating again, and eliminate ruthlessly, right? So those remainder activities, those things that you know that are not moving you forward, right? Equal all of the activities you want to avoid at all cost. If you know that however minute or hour call that you typically have daily with a loved one, a friend, someone, right? If you know that that always seems to go a lot longer than you want, or it seems to always bite into a big chunk of your activity time where you feel that you're going to be the most effective, how about having that phone call at the end of the day? How about having that communication after dinner? When the work is done, when those top 3 priorities that we talked about are complete, and then no matter how long that conversation goes, it's not going to impact your successes of the day. And every action has a cost, right? Time, energy, space. No action even has a cost. No action means no impact, no outcome, no result. So let's watch this video. It's a great, great way to end the conversation of time management. It really, it does an amazing job. And forgive me for funning. Actually, don't forgive me, because I sense that if you've been doing this for any amount of time, you're going to laugh and say, yes, this is very, very accurate. So let's take a look at this video.
Gemma, I've really been thinking about getting into real estate.
Right?
It seems like you've got such a flexible day. You
Yes.
can drive around all the time and make your own schedule.
Right.
It seems like fun and easy.
Jamalagad, bonjour.
Can we see 8 houses tomorrow morning?
Tomorrow morning as on Christmas Day?
Yeah.
Okay, I gotta pull up this address. Oh, come on.
I mean, you get to look at all these amazing houses, and everybody's staging right now, right?
Yeah, most of them do. And this is the master bed. I'm sorry, we're not going to see this.
I mean, you get to work.
That
with
has
people.
happened to me,
And
by
I
the way,
love
showing
people.
property.
I'm a people person.
Gemma, we have some exciting news. We're pregnant.
So we have to stop looking at 2-bedroom houses and we have to start looking at 4.
But we have the same budget though still.
All your clients have to do is love the house, and then they buy it.
Gemma, this house is perfect.
Right?
Yes, totally. But I feel like there's a but.
But we've only seen 87. I think that we should see some more. It needs to be perfect.
So we did it. We found you the perfect house. This house is at market value. Okay, so they're asking $648,000.
So let's offer them $400,000.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, we have received the home inspection report. So everything
awesome.
is good. We can now remove our conditions.
You said if we find something wrong, we could walk away or negotiate with them, right?
Right? What is wrong?
Well, the lights were too bright.
The paint? Mm-mm.
I didn't like the doorknobs.
It's just the atmosphere.
And the windows were kind of dirty.
It's really messing with my feng shui.
I get to see your social media account and all of those happy people. I want to make everybody happy.
Guys, picture! Hey guys, we're happy. We just bought a house. Take a picture. Yay, cheers! Cheers!
So that's fine, but that's not a thing?
But
No, thank you.
You'll see, it'll be great!
No, thank you.
I mean, it's an easy job, and you get paid so well.
Okay guys, so the process is done. So from now on until closing, make sure that you're not buying anything, any big purchases on credit.
Obviously.
Okay, so no boat, no vacation, no cars.
Come on, Gemma, we're not dumb. Gemma, what do you think of our new car?
Isn't it great?
You paid cash, right?
We got a wicked 1.5% rate.
Yes, you know what? Honestly, I think you're going to love it. Would you like me to get you my books?
Sure, yeah.
Yes, do that.
Wait, you have to study all this just to...
So it's like that. It really is like that. Unless, of course, we manage our time a certain way. We manage expectations of clients. We cover all that. We will have amazing videos by our broker of record and managing broker, D. Wilmore, as well. And so, but just to recap, again, it's very crucial. It's very key in terms of time management. Write your plan down for the next day, the top priorities, 3 of them. Begin to start writing down the non-priorities, those 3, what you want to avoid, and really get good at time management. I promise you it'll pay you huge dividends. Thanks for watching this video. And as always, we discuss these videos in our rooms. I encourage you to get in the conversation, ask your questions, hear what everybody else is thinking about the content. And I look forward to seeing you on one of our next videos. Thank you so much for watching.